Imagine you're running a stadium with thousands of people arriving at the same time. Some entrances are flowing smoothly. Others are building up dangerous queues. Your operations team needs to know, right now, not 5 minutes from now, not after someone calls in, right now. That's the problem we're solving today. And the key question is, how do you turn a stream of raw sensor data into a meaningful business signal that the right people and systems can act on immediately? What you're seeing here is a live stream of turnstile events coming from stadium entrances. Every time someone passes through a gate, an event is published, carrying the entrance ID, the queue length, the wait time, and the direction of passage. Hundreds of these per minute. Raw data by itself doesn't tell operations anything actionable. What they need is a business event, a validated, meaningful signal that says, this specific entrance is congested right now, and here's what you should do about it. That's exactly what we're going to build, directly inside Eventstream with no code. The first thing I want to do is narrow down the stream. These events include both entry and exit passages. For congestion detection, I only care about entries, people coming into the venue. I'll add a filter operator and set the condition. Direction equals entry. That's it. Now the stream only carries events where people are coming in. Exit events like this one here, direction exit, are gone. Now I need to aggregate. I want to know, for each entrance over a short time window, what's the average queue length and what's the maximum wait time. I'll configure a tumbling window of 5 seconds. This means every 5 seconds, Eventstream will close the window and emit one aggregated row per entrance. Now I'll define the group by fields, entrance ID and entrance name, so that each window produces one row per entrance. And the aggregations. I want the average of queue length, I'll call it EVGQ, and the maximum of wait, time seconds, I'll call it max wait. Now I apply the business rule. Congestion is defined as maximum wait time in the window exceeds 10 seconds. I'll add a second filter, this time operating on the aggregated output. Let's look at the preview again. Out of all the entrances, only the ones with a genuine congestion problem pass through this filter. We've gone from thousands of raw events per minute down to a precise, aggregated signal, only when a real problem exists. Now comes the most important part. I need to take this filtered, aggregated signal and turn it into a business event, a formal, schema-validated, discoverable signal that any team or system in the organization can subscribe to. I'll add a business events destination directly from the canvas. This is where something important happens. Instead of just routing data somewhere, I'm publishing a contract. A business event has a name, a schema, and properties that define exactly what information it carries. Anyone who wants to consume this event knows upfront what to expect. I'll configure the destination. First, I define the event schema name. This is the name that makes the signal meaningful and discoverable across the organization. And now the properties. The 4 fields that this event will always carry, guaranteed by the schema. Now I select the workspace and the schema set where this event type will live. Let's configure the mapping. Each property maps directly to a field coming out of our filter. The values are already there, computed, and filtered. No extra logic needed. Notice what just happened. I didn't write a single line of code. I defined a business event with its name, its schema, and its property mapping directly from the Eventstream canvas. From this moment on, this event is registered, validated, and discoverable in the real-time hub for anyone in the organization. Any team, operations, analytics, security can come here, find this event, and subscribe to it. That decoupling is the real value of business events. Now let's close the loop. We have the business event being published. The last step is to act on it automatically. I'll connect an activator as a second destination off the same filter. Inside the activator, I'll create a rule that fires every time a congestion event arrives. This is where the action doesn't have to be technical. I'll configure it to send a Teams message directly to the operations team. The right people get notified automatically with the right context at the moment it happens. No polling, no manual escalation. The pipeline is live. Before we check the notifications, let me show you something in Real-Time Hub. From this single page, I can see who is publishing this event and who is consuming it. The publisher is our Eventstream. The consumer is the activator we just configured. This is governance built in, full visibility into the life cycle of the business signal, with no extra tooling required. Now let's go to Teams and see what the operations team is receiving. Raw sensor data in, a validated business event out. The right people notified instantly. That is business events in Microsoft Fabric. One event, multiple consumers, zero coupling. Thanks for watching.